Hi, welcome to the Shelley Studio, and today I thought I would do a watercolor. It's been a little while, so I thought I would pull out my watercolors and try and create a landscape. Now this watercolor paper has something drawn on the side. I had originally done that for a jelly print, but I'm like, I'm just going to use it. Make a watercolor. I need to practice my watercolors because I am way out of practice. I don't think the watercolor a day, how many months ago was that, counts. Because those were just small little snippets. So I'm going to have to be more proactive and practice my watercolor so that I can do better. So I've been thinking about what to do for Christmas for a family member, and I was thinking Lord of the Rings. So you'll see it looks Lord of the Rings-esque. But yeah, I don't think I'm giving this to them for Christmas. I have another thing that I've created, and I will, of course, I videotaped it. So you'll get to see that one, and it's abstract Lord of the Ring-esque. And it's mixed media and not watercolor. Because I did 2 of these paintings. I may show the second one. But I wasn't happy enough with either one of them. So the plan was to turn it into a throw blanket. So I wasn't happy enough with the amount of detail. I don't think there was enough detail on these to blow it up into a big blanket. So anyway, alright, so in watercolor, traditionally you find your horizon, you do your sky, you do the middle, and then the foreground. And with this one I was just kind of all over the place, and I think you can tell. Anyway, so I've sped this up about 8 times fast, and I'm gonna let the music play, and I hope you enjoy. So I practiced these little, I don't know what you call them, paint blob people? Before I drew them on here, but they're still kind of interesting looking. But it's hard to paint with, okay, I could have gotten a smaller paintbrush. It's hard to paint really small, a lot of detail. So here we have our Fellowship of the Ring, maybe? Okay, so it's dry, and here I wanted to give more detail to the bridge, and so I tested this pen to make sure it bleeds. I actually wanted to make sure it bled, so that I could, give a definite line, but then wash it out a little bit so that it looked like it belonged. I don't know how else to put that. But I do that with the brickwork on the bridge and a little bit on the arches. Okay, well now it's time to take the tape off. This tape actually kind of tore the paper a little bit, and it didn't seal the water out. I think I might have put it on, because I put that gray color on before I taped it down, and I think it might have been a little wet, was my problem. But there we go. What do you think? I hope you liked that. If you did like it, please hit like, feel free to share, comment, and if you'd like to see more from me, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.